This is Substitute Topher here at Eagles Canyon Raceway in partly cloudy Texas today, where today we're getting a ride along in the 2023 Toyota GR Corolla MORIZO Edition. This is the newest special edition of the GR Corolla that they actually just revealed today when this video was being filmed. Slightly different than the normal car. We've got forged wheels, we've got no back seat, we've got lots more Alcantara on the interior, we've got a slightly different gear ratio. We'll have all of the specs in the description for you guys, but as for right now, enjoy the ride along. This thing is a ton of fun on track, and I'm super excited for you guys to see it.
Third gear. Look at the brakes. Easy. Always easy.
Yep.
Entering the corner, you see at the back will move.
Oh yeah.
This is third gear. Just pushing the car.
Wow.
See how it goes. See how smooth it goes.
Definitely feels like quite a bit of rear bias around there. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Makes a good noise too.
Yeah, it makes a great noise actually. But I love the braking and the sounds actually when you limiter. Like, you're gonna hear it now. Looking for a limiter.
Oh
See?
yeah. It rotates beautifully.
Third gear. I'm only downshift you once, second, couple times, just to get on.
That is awesome. Yeah. I like the way that it feels rear biased around corners. It makes a cool sound.
Yeah.
And no, I like the way everything is set up in here as well. Steering wheel looks awesome. Shifter looks awesome. I like that they make an addition with no back seat too. It's pretty sweet.
The drivability is so easy.
Yeah.
Like there's no stress, like zero stress with this car, which is awesome. It's super awesome. So I love that and love the seats.
Cool. Yeah, no, the seats are
so comfy,
really
right?
Cool too. They are very much.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much.
Very nice to meet you, man.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah.